Chimole. A soup from Belize. Serves 2. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Prepare chicken, cut into meat pieces and season with pepper and salt. Step 2. Season ground pork with the recardo and half of the relleno seasoning and salt to taste. Step 3. Fry the ground pork, without fat for 15 to 20 minutes, until cooked, stirring from time to time. Step 4. Fry the chicken until light brown. Step 5. Pour 2.5 pints water in a saucepan, and add the apazote, oregano, onion, garlic and tomato. Step 6. Blend the relleno seasoning with some water and add to water and other seasoning, then bring to a boil. Step 7. Add the chicken and ground pork and boil gently until meat is tender. Step 8. Blend the corn mace or 2 tablespoons flour with a little water and stir into the liquid. Keep stirring until liquid thickens. Step 9. Boil for 15 minutes, then serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.